So from here now, make we introduce now to some of our gas cooker, then before enter electronics and other thing that we sell here. So this particular one now, our gas cooker, very fine, very beautiful as you can see. This particular one now, this one on top of desk, put on for your house. You can cook indomie, you can cook fried rice, you can cook chicken, you can cook turkey, you can fry anything when you want, fry anything when it's a big cook, or whether it's a big cook or salad, or put them on top. This particular go cook for you. And the price, then are very check money for here. Like here in a hostel, they do wholesale, original, wholesale things now they sell for this particular place where you see also. And the price for this thing now, as you see, I'm so no dear for our hand, though, just 75,000 naira, 75k. You don't carry this one, they go. This one now, another one, also the key beer. This one now carry 3 burners with 1 electric for inside them, all the gas and everything. This particular one, a small money for her, 110,000 naira. You don't get them, and the gear cover. This one a inverter electric cooker. What I tell you, say, if you plug into most of all this our small solar generator, Nancy, your time, plug a small solar generator. If you say no, I'm plugging now. If you please one for inverter, people go to say, I've used my electric cooker for inverter. I've used my electric cooker for my inverter. Now only this particular one I would recommend. Most of us are insist on I don't have by Boschberg or by this Winstar. You can see them here. That fan's more. I call up fan for me. So this particular one you see here, different design, classic for single burners. This one now, if you plug in for your inverter, any inverter where you get with above 2 kV and above, this particular machine here can use it and cook, boil beans, boil indomie, cook any kind of food where they your mind to cook. We feel this our small solar generator to demonstrate them, but I beg this solar generator no go buy this small one take the cook for house. I beg you. This one I move you and take to demonstrate them to you how it take the work. You see I'm saying it don't power like this now so but why not on because this one has small solar generator to avoid unnecessary error. If you on and now everything go on. If you have this solar generator now here go start to the red, you go start to cook your food without no shaking. Just 60,000 naira. We know they get will not get time for check time. 60,000 naira. You don't get your own for this electric cooker. Then we'll get a double burner. This one and a single burner. And you can see this is well finished, coated golden design. Inverter electric cooker. Only in Magic Global Technology. Inverter electric cooker. 120,000. You don't get this one a double burner. If you use your generator, use them. If you use electricity to cook them, if you use the inverter, to use them. So anything where you like, use them on, you go use and take cook for yourself. Only 120,000 naira. And here another cookers. This is an electric cooker as well. This particular cooker, this one is a gas cooker. This particular gas cooker, we can give you this particular 4 gas cooker with oven. Here now, if you bake your cake, bake birthday cake, do all kind of thing, toast chicken, toast fish, do barbecue, anything you like inside here. And the price for hand, they're very cheap, only 205,000 naira.